Alright guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to turn on save data on your Spotify app. So you want to open up your Spotify application guys, and on the home, right, you will see the icon in the uppermost left hand side with the letter A. And the letter that you're seeing in the uppermost letter, it's coming from your username of Spotify, right? So if I click on that A there, you will see my username Angelo2121, which is start with A, and that's why I have the A for my account there on my profile. Now, you want to click on settings and privacy, right? And here on the settings and privacy, you will see data saver. And under that, you have the save data, right? It's currently off, but all you have to do is simply turn this on. Now, once you turn that on, guys, this will help you to save data. As you see the description there, it says set audio quality to low and hides canvas as well as audio and video preview on home. So if you're a person who normally run Spotify on your mobile data, so this is a very useful feature on Spotify settings that you can use. And that's all there is to it, guys. Really hope you find this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below and subscribe to the channel if you're seeing the channel for the first time. Thank you very much and see you next time.